So what's going on, guys? My name is David, and I'm here from Lions Review with another roaring review, or it's actually my first one. So let me just be honest with you. I'm not a guru. I'm not a super affiliate or any of those other names that you hear out there. What I am is a regular individual with some common sense and um, some experience at trial and error. So what I want to do is be honest with those people out there who are beginning with marketing. If you're already like in a super affiliate or you're already an expert marketer, then you don't really need to watch what I'm saying, and you don't need to know about my reviews because you already know what to do. But for those of you that are like me, I got started with this. I've been studying this for about since August of last year, and I'm finally now making some progress. And I'm going to do another video after this one to show you guys the progress that I made. But this is Go Traffic. It's an AI powered software that allows you to receive organic social media traffic by posting from this site to many different social media platforms. This is super dope. It's super awesome. Just the concept alone is groundbreaking because if you've learned anything, they always tell you post to that, free this, free that, free traffic, do this, do that. That takes time that a lot of us don't have. Uh, and so without further ado, here's Go Traffic, and I'll talk to you guys more after the demonstration or the demo video. So here we go.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier and welcome to the demo of Go Traffic. Now this is a very quick walkthrough to show you exactly what Go Traffic can do for you. In short, Go Traffic will help you leverage pre-created content or content prompts and automatically post it to many different social media accounts at the same time. So you can start by creating a workspace. Workspace is basically an environment for your business. Then you can have different projects where you can have multiple different posting schedules. So for example, I've got in Workspace Mailview over here, and under projects, I've got my own project, and I've got a project for Mailview Evergreen Marketing, and then one for each month, which will be very important in a second. And this is where you can create your post as well. Now, before I get to that, one of the easiest things you can do with Go Traffic is come to 365 projects, and you will see that we have pre-created a lot of the content for you based on the relevant days that are on based on the calendar, and you can very quickly click on schedule for 365 days, and it will schedule a post for all of those days within a given workspace. And you can also then schedule them to your fan pages, your groups, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and Reddit as well. Once you do that, this is what it looks like. So right now, I have deactivated all of them, but I can quickly go in and activate this one as well. And then now the post can start going out in the month of January. If I go to Manage Posts, you can see these are all the posts that have been created for each day of the month. I can also go in and check out more information about this one. So it's going to Facebook page and Twitter feed. And again, this one's going to do a Facebook page and Twitter feed as well. If I wanted to view it, I can go in here, edit it, and view exactly what this looks like. So you could have posts with text and images, so on and so forth. If you want to create your own post, it's quite simple. Go into Manage Post. You can create your post right over here, enter a title, press enter, and you can now start creating your post. You have a few different options, which could be text with image, video, or text with video. You can pick one or multiple fan pages that you've connected. You can also post to the groups that you are part of, that you are managing, because you do need to use an app that goes into the group as well. So you can't post into just any random group, that'd be spamming, but you can post into groups where you have permission to make automated posts. Then you can also post on Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, as well as Reddit. So you can literally take the same post and post it across multiple social media accounts immediately or over time. So I'd use the schedule feature to post these posts over time. Then we also have a built-in image editor, which is similar to Canva, which allows you to essentially create and work on images so that you can also use those images in your social media posts. So let's go for this one. We're also going to have a lot of templates for you in the near future, but if you wanted to start with a blank template, you can as well. And you can use these dimensions and start creating your images as well. So that's it. As you can see, Go Traffic is a very powerful tool that you can use to get traffic from your social media assets back to your blogs, your money pages, opt-in pages, and all of those. If there's anything you'd like, you can always reach out to us and ask about it. Otherwise, go ahead and get access to Go Traffic immediately. Hey there,
Okay, guys, so that's Go Traffic in a nutshell. He just demoed it for you, and yeah, like I said, it's a pretty dope software. So, um, first of all, let me tell you guys, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button because I'm going to put out another video that is going to be so mind blowing for all you beginners. So you literally don't have to search anymore for the right system that's going to help you make money or how to use that system to make money. I'm literally going to show you the system. You know, it costs money to get into it, but it's not a lot of money. It's $50 to get involved in this system, and hundreds of us are involved in it, and we're doing it. And I'm so happy somebody put me onto it. And I'm also going to show you another tool that I use to get results like this, and I'm going to show you right now. So just give me 1 second. I'm going to show you right now. So I'm going to go up in here to my browser. I'm going to go to the product we were just promoting, the one I was just telling you guys about that you should definitely get involved with. I'm going to go to Go Traffic Review, right? Boom. This is Google now. Do you see that? See this right here. Go Traffic Review, how to get organic website traffic video. That is my video. That's the one you literally just watched. It ranks #1 on Google. This is literally, if I click this is not even about the product. This is something totally different. You know what I mean? This is not even about the product. You know, all types of pop up and nonsense about something that we don't even want to watch. I'm gonna click out of that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that. Oh, just so if you didn't see it, let me just go back for more proof. If you didn't see it, Go Traffic. Let's see. Click there, Go Traffic Review. 1 day ago, I put this video up. 1 day ago. Okay, and just look at the competition. There's other videos, right? There's other videos. You know, 5 days ago, 8 hours ago. So people are posting, they're getting onto this because it's a new software and it's groundbreaking, man. Go back to all. This is the first thing that pops up, not even about the product. Go down, there's videos, there's articles, Go Traffic. So yeah, I do know what I'm talking about because I've stumbled upon something that's just, I don't know, I've done my research and I guess it's finally paying off. So yeah, listen, click the link below, get your copy of Go Traffic. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use Go Traffic. Well, I won't show you how to use Go Traffic because I didn't get it yet because I'm still focused on the first tool that I have. But when I add Go Traffic to my arsenal, it's going to be insane. So I'm going to show you another tool that I use, another $50 product, and I'm going to show you how I use that to get on the first page of Google, the first video you see. Okay? So, yeah, like, subscribe, hit the notification button, click the link below, get your copy of Go Traffic, and I'm going to put a video together with that, with the other tool that I use, and the system that I'm involved in, and we're going to get money together. So join Roaring Reviews, join my channel, and just take the journey with me. Like I said, I'm new to this, but I've stumbled upon something great, and this is another Roaring Review, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and I'm out.